Hey guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today's video is a Superbowl appetizer collab. This open collaboration is hosted by Denise Jordan, and her YouTube channel is This and That with Denise Jordan, and it's also hosted by Micky, and her YouTube channel is Live, Laugh, Love, Pray. Again, this is an open collaboration. I will have the link to the playlist down below in my description box. If you came over to my channel from the open collab, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like this video and you like this recipe. It is a chicken salad recipe. It is very easy and very simple. Anybody can make it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, for this recipe you're going to need one rotisserie chicken, and you can either cook yours on your own in your oven, or you can pick up a pre-made one from your local grocery store, and that's what I did. You'll need a cup of diced onions, a cup of roughly chopped celery, 2 cups of mayonnaise, and then you'll need a 1/3 cup of Hidden Valley ranch dressing, and then you'll just need some salt and pepper for flavor. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I go ahead and shred up my rotisserie chicken. If you want it shred up more finer, you can do that, but I do like bigger chunks in mine. It's just a personal preference. And then after all of that is shredded, I go ahead and add in my onions and my celery and mix that together. Next, I add my 1/3 cup of the Hidden Valley ranch powdered salad dressing mix, and then I put my salt and pepper in. I just want to give a heads up, I only use a 1/3 cup because I let my chicken salad sit usually overnight, or at least for a couple of hours before I serve it in the fridge, and that ranch dressing flavor will get stronger. So if you go back and taste it right away and add more in, later on that ranch flavor is going to be a lot stronger and it might be too strong. So that is why I only put a 1/3 cup, because once it marinates together, that ranch flavor will really come out in the chicken salad. Okay, so I'm adding my last ingredient, which is my mayo. Once I add that in, I give everything a really good stir, get everything mixed up really well. I want all this seasoning coated and mixed on the chicken so it will have an even flavor of that ranch dressing. And then I also like to go ahead and take my chicken salad and transfer it over to a different type of container or serving dish, just for it can be a little more presentable for a party or gathering. Alright guys, there you have it, my best game day appetizer, my chicken salad. I hope that you like this video and that you give this recipe a try. I do like to serve this chicken salad with some crackers, and you can really serve it with any type of cracker that you like. So I usually kind of put out a different variety when I do serve this. But again, I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. If you do try this recipe, comment down below and let me know if you like it. And thanks for watching guys. Bye.